In this tutorial, I'll show you to randomly scale the instances while using Blender's geometry nodes. Another thing to show you is how to finalize a geometry nodes-based mesh, meaning how to make them editable like this. We're used to press Ctrl A and select Make Instances Real, but that won't work well with geometry nodes. When I tried it on geometry node meshes in the past, my Blender crashed. The teapot mesh was created from the menu. If you don't have this item, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. This is a UV sphere. I created a teapot and used geometry nodes to instance the sphere mesh on the surface of the teapot mesh like this. This node is what I wanted to show you. Let's see what will happen if we apply the geometry nodes modifier without it. I'm hovering the cursor and pressing L to select the faces in edit mode. Let's see what each node does. This is how we randomly scale the instances. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.